Hi guys! I hope your Valentine's Day went really good. Mine, unfortunately, was very clumsy. I wake up from where I live upstairs. I get me a cup of coffee, go outside to smoke a cigarette, go to pick up my coffee after setting it down, after lighting my cigarette, and it falls right out of my hands and dumps all over the porch, all down stairs from beneath me, all over the concrete. Thank goodness nobody was standing down there, or that would have sucked for that person. And plus of a bunch of other clumsy things that's happened today. It was a very clumsy day for me. But some good did happen. A few bit of goods, actually. It was more good than it was clumsy. I'm thankful for that. Thankful, so thankful for this day. And the good. So, a book came in the mail today. It's called First Animal Sounds with 22 animal sounds. And it's really awesome. From what I read of it already. All these buttons. If you don't have it, I would suggest that you do look for it. Walmart can have it, Amazon, places like those. They're not a very high price at all. And this one was brand new and it wasn't used or anything. It was a decent price. Okay, what I like about this book is you get to look for things, you get to count things on how many things is there. It says, search for these animals and press the buttons when you find them. Dog, cat, fish, and rabbit. Look for all the pets in this scene. Can you spot the yellow ball of yarn too? How many birds can you count in the cage? Okay, so we'll start with the yarn. Can you spot the yarn in the cage? Or the yarn in the picture? And how many birds are in the cage? 1, 2. There's the yarn right there. And then dog. We go over here to dog. Dog is right there. Next would be cat. And then fish, and then rabbit. Cat, fish, rabbit. Cat, fish, rabbit. He was eating a carrot. It sounded like, see what I mean about fun? This sounds so much fun. This one is, shh, look around this nighttime forest scene. Which animals are asleep? When you have found all the animals, press the buttons to hear their sounds. Bat, hedgehog, owl, fox. And can you make snoring noises like all the sleepy animals? Well, let's see what kind of noises they make. Let's do the animals first. Bat. Bat. That's not a snoring noise. Noise. Okay. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. That just sounded like a train or something. Huh. Owl and fox. Owl. Fox. know. That sounded different. I don't think I can make a noise like that, but I can make a snore noise like. That's a snore noise. The animals love being by the river. Which animal friends are enjoying a swim? Let's see. We have the ducks, the frogs, the ducks and the frogs. Duckies, froggies are in the water. Did I miss any? Okay. Press the button to hear the animals when you have found each one. Oh, Hedgehog has also come to play. Can you find him on this page too? We can try. I'm sure we can. So we gotta find all of them plus Hedgehog. Selena, what are you doing, sweetie? Be good. Putting stickers on your legs. Okay, so we're searching for hedgehogs. Or Hedgehog. There he is. And there's a mouse. Frog. Bee. Skunk. Owl. Ducks and deer and birdie. Now let's make the noises. Okay, so the bird. Alright, next would be the bee. Mommy hates the sound of a bee. I hate the sound of a bee. I'm so used to saying mommy. I'm so sorry. My little Miss Selena and Sissy is right here, so yes. I'm going to say mommy accidentally. I'm sorry. Next is the frog. And then after that, we'll have the mouse. Selena, be good, baby. Frog. Mouse. Press the shiny buttons when you find each farm animal. Cow, horse, donkey, chicken, and sheep. Look around the farm and try to find all the animals. And how many flowers can you count? Well, all the animals, huh? And how many flowers can we count? Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted 5. Do you guys see any more that I missed? Okay. And now, let's find all the farm animals. We got the cow. We got the horse. We got the donkey. We got the chicken. And we got the sheep. Plus a piggy. A duck. And another duck. And a bird. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. Alright, and that's it. Oh, and a cat. Now let's see what noises they make. Starting with the cow. Moo! And then the horse. And then the donkey. And then the chicken. And then the sheep. This is a big book, and it's actually heavy a little bit. Alright, last page. Look at all the animal friends playing together. Which one makes a hissing sound? Wow. Can you guess which one makes a hissing sound? The one that makes the hissing sound is a snake. Right there on the tree. Snake. You okay, baby? What are you doing? The snake is right here. When you find each of these animals, press the shiny buttons. Okay, so we have the tiger, the zebra, the elephant, the parakeet, the lion, the monkey, the snake, and the alligator. Now, let's start with the noises. A lion makes a roar sound. Let's hear the lion roar. And then the monkey makes a ooh, ooh, ah, ah sound. And then the elephant makes a sound. Well, I suck at it here. And then the snake you just heard make the hissing sound. And then the tiger makes a roar. Tiger just happens to be my favorite animal. The end. Yay! Learn 22 exciting sounds in this fun book, featuring bright scenes with cute animal characters and lots of buttons to press. This is a perfect introduction to animal sounds. The first animal sounds. I hope you liked that one, and I hope it was a good one for your Valentine night. And I hope that you like and subscribe to this video and that you liked it. You actually liked it. I couldn't find anything Valentine-y, so I figured I'd find something fun and funny. So we just happened to get this in the mail today, so I figured, perfect. I've got a bunch of other ones to read too. I'll probably do that either tomorrow or the next day. Thank you for watching, and happy Valentine's Day, and I hope that your day was full of love and happiness. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy V-Day.